Hello friends, today I am going to unbox my new Philips 9000 Prestige series, the trimmer. It's a 12-in-1 trimmer with one extra electric shaving razor, and we all know that it's a high-end, like a flagship Philips trimmer, so that's why it's a 9000 Prestige series. And I ordered it through Amazon, and we can see here the logo. Since it was the Black Friday, so it cost me a little bit cheaper than the regular price. So the regular price for it like 110 euro, but with discount for the Black Friday I ordered with only 85 euro. So and I get like 2 years warranty. Okay, so that's the thing, and here we can see on the package here are um, some useful advantages and some ideas that how can we trim our beard. Okay, so let's open it. Yeah, this way I think. Okay. Okay, so here is the main insider package, and as you can see they gave us one small bag to carry only the important things like trimmer and the electric shaver and some trimmer sizes with it. When we are going to outdoor or in travel, then we can carry out with this bag, so it's a good thing. And it's also like Philips branded, as we can see here, so it's a nice bag I think. And here are some documentations and some papers, some user manuals. Okay, and yeah, this is the electric razor, and here is the blade I think. Yeah, it's two types of blade. They one like this and another is like this, so two size of blades. And also they gave us like like this to not to do the zero of your beard, but you can do also little bit bigger in the size of your beard, like one kind of trimming, small kind of trimming. And this is the cover of your plate. Yeah, so that's the thing. And here inside nothing, and here as we can see the all size of trimming comb. And one small brush to clean up the trimmer face. And the power cord, also with Phillips, and this is for the nose, to trim the nose, inside nose, and this is the main machine for trimming. Yes, so yeah, it's a nice silver colored body, written Philips, and here are all the specifications, and it's made in Indonesia, and it's a 5.4 watt motor inside. And here is the power cord to charge. As I read through the user manual before I ordered that if I charge one time, then I can use it for 3 or 4 trimming, 3 or 4 times of trimming. Yes, and also here is the also charging for this electric razor. Okay, so that's it. See you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.